So my flat tire repair kit is pretty minimal. I just got a slime kit, and then I just put it in some old tire inflator bag that I have. I have never done this before. Seen a ton of videos, so we'll see how it goes. This is your reamer. Now this is going to be interesting because the hole is so small. I mean, I don't even know if I'm able to get that in there. I don't know how that piece of metal was able to get through there. I don't even know if this is going to work. I know this is kind of supposed to ream it out. Jeez. It's making the hole bigger. I don't know if that's gonna work. I may just have to get a new tire. I mean, it's literally just a pinhole. But as soon as I pulled that piece of metal out, it did start leaking air. So it's just right on this tread. I don't know, guys. There we go.
And park.
Okay. Well, it went through. I will see if the rest works. Little guys or big guys? Let's try the little guys first. So I'm going to put this on first. That's some nasty stuff. No, I'm gonna cut that. Give me 1 second here. Okay, I decided to cut the one piece off. That way it doesn't come apart when I'm trying to pull this thing apart. I don't want to do the rest of them. Oh man, I don't know what's going on here. This stuff is, I mean, it's cold outside and it is stuck like it's been melting. I wonder if it's because I leave it in the razor year round. Even though I've been on the razor for a year, and it melted and then kind of re-hardened. Oh, there we go. Just gotta work at it a little bit. I heard this is the tough part. You gotta try to put it in here, which I don't know how that's even possible. flatten it out a little bit. I don't know. Definitely leave some comments because I have no clue if I'm doing this right. I read the instructions. I've seen some videos. Everyone just seems to make it like it's just so easy. Probably because they've done it more than once. It's interesting. I've ridden quads for a long time. Well, when I was a kid, and then I got out of it for a while up until recently. I don't think I've ever had a flat. Knock on wood. Never had a flat out in any trails at Glamis. Just been really lucky, I guess. Been off-roading several times. Nothing. So I knew there's a trick. You're supposed to shove it in and yank it out real quick. So we will see how this goes. Get the cement going. I always end up making a mess with this stuff. Put some in there. Ooh, little much. Put a little bit in here. And we'll see how this goes. I'm nervous I'm not going to get it in the hole. Oh, there we go. I'll put a little extra glue around it. I probably already have enough, but we'll see. I guess it's better to do it home than on the trail first time. Got a little extra glue dripping down, but I will leave it as is and then snip those nubs off. I'm not really too worried about these. I mean, I could probably snip them off a little bit, but I don't see them pulling out. I mean, you get these little molding cast nubs all the time. I still have some on the sidewalls of this tire. So I'll let this dry. I don't know how long it's supposed to dry. That's one part. I didn't look at the instructions, but hey, it actually worked. I know you're not supposed to put them in the sidewalls. Most flats happen, you know, somewhere in between the treads. Having that piece of metal go straight through this and just barely pierce the inside. That's why you need to get 8-ply tires or even 10-ply. These are just the stock Bighorns. I was planning on upgrading, probably going with maybe some 15-inch wheels. I like the, what are they? The tensor regulators. A little expensive. I've heard great reviews about the Tusk Terabytes, so I might go those. Go to a 30 rather than the 29. Same size tire all the way around. But again, we've just had this about a year. Just put the springs on. I don't know if I want to go to the expense of getting all new wheels and tires. I'm looking to upgrade already. So see what Polaris does about the next Pro, whether, you know, it's an XP Pro S or a Pro R, whatever they decide to call it. Who knows? I do like the Can-Ams. What is it? XRS Maverick XRS Turbo RR4 or the Max. That's on the list. So we'll see. But after my last ride out in Ocotillo Wells, again, my brother-in-law just bought a Turbo S 4-seater. There were a couple trails where he had to kind of go off to a more traveled route because the trail had gotten so skinny or just wasn't wide. Where mine, where the 64-inch was fine. I love the desert. I love wide open deserts. I like going fast. 72-inch would be amazing, but I just don't know yet. So leave a comment. Tell me what you think. I do all West Coast stuff. Desert, Nevada, Arizona, Southern California. So that's a huge. I know 72 inch width, 32, 33 inch tires are kind of the mainstay out here. But let me know what you think. If you have a Pro, drop me a line. Let me know what you like about it. I'm not opposed to staying with the 64 inch as long as it is comparable with a 72 inch as far as hitting whoops, speed, stability, things like that. So hopefully this works. I'll let it dry, put some air in it, and see how it goes. Thanks. Oh, and always like, subscribe, comment. Really appreciate it.